Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Windows update is stuck, then please watch this video to find the solution. Now the solution to this is very simple. We just have to run a few commands in the command prompt. So we will open command prompt in the search bar. Look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click on yes. Now we need to copy these commands. These commands you will find in the description of this video. And you will copy them and paste them one by one. And one by one it will read all the commands. You copy paste them. When you press enter, one by one all the commands will start, and I will explain the commands to you in short. So you'll stop the Windows service, the cryptic services, you'll stop bits, you'll stop the msiserver, then you'll remove the software distribution file and the catroot2 files, then again you'll start the services, and it should clear the stuck update error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.